Hi, my name is Lisa Melamed and welcome to West LA Hair Restoration. I've been part of this clinic for over 17 years now, and the most rewarding part of my job is to help you as a client who are dealing with hair loss to be your liaison, to be your advocate, to get the best results from meeting with the doctor all the way through your procedures and your post-procedure follow-ups. What makes this office unique that I'm so excited to be part of is that it is family owned, and our clients basically become a part of our family. I speak for myself as a patient. I've been on the other side. I've dealt with female hair loss, and I have done most of the procedures in the office, so I can tell people what it feels like, what to expect, and what to do for the best results after procedures. So I welcome you to contact me as your liaison with any questions you have. I'll be more than happy to get you started and have you part of our family. Thank you for visiting us.